Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that given that z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i, z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i, express z1 in polar form, express z1 in exponential form. So, solution. So now, let's express z1 in polar form. Number 1. z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i. Then, now the polar form of a complex number is given by z is equals to r cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the polar form of a complex number, whereby R is the modulus of this complex number and theta is the argument of the complex number, whereby R is the modulus of this complex number z and theta is the argument of the complex number. So we have to find the modulus and argument of this complex number to find its polar form. So this one will be z1 equals to r1 cos theta 1 sin theta 1, since we are expressing in terms of this. So now let's find the modulus. R1 is what? 2 square plus 3 square. So this is which is root of 13. So the modulus of R1 is 13. Then the argument, which is theta 1, is tan inverse y over x. Y is 3, x is 2. So it's 56.31. So this is approximately 56.31 degrees. And now, since this complex number is in the first quadrant, 3 is positive, 2 is positive, so y is positive, x is positive. So it will be in the first quadrant. So you don't need to manipulate this theta. You only manipulate angles that are in the second, third, and fourth quadrant when finding argument for a complex number. So now we can express it in polar form. So it becomes z1 is equal to what? Root of 13 cos 56.31 plus I sin 56.31 degrees. So this is the polar form of this complex number. Now the second one, we have to express it in exponential form. This is the exponential form. So we are going to express this complex number z1 in exponential form. So it will become z1 is equals to r1 exponential I theta 1. So r is the modulus, theta is the argument. So r1 is the modulus of z1, theta 1 is the argument of z1. So here is we have already calculated the modulus and the argument. So we can directly substitute it here. So Z1 now will be equal to what? Root 13 exponential I, then what's theta 1? 56.31 degrees. So this is the final answer. So we have successfully expressed this complex number Z1 in polar form and in exponential form. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.